Northrop Grumman X-47B. What if a fighter jet didn't need a pilot? No cockpit, no seat, no human on board, just intelligence, precision, and total control. The Northrop Grumman X-47B made that idea real, and it changed how the world sees the future of air combat. This isn't science fiction, it's a real aircraft. The X-47B is an unmanned combat air vehicle, UCAV, built for the U.S. Navy's carrier-based missions. Measuring 11.63 meters, 38.2 feet, long, and with a wingspan of 18.9 meters, 62.1 feet, it's about the size of a fighter jet, but it operates completely without a pilot. Its tailless design and stealthy body help it disappear from radar, while its Pratt & Whitney F100PW 220U turbofan engine pushes it to high subsonic speeds, around Mach 0.9 or roughly 1,110 kilometers per hour. The X-47B doesn't just fly, it thinks. It can plan missions, take off from aircraft carriers, land autonomously, and even refuel in the air, all without direct human control. Inside its two internal weapon bays, it can carry up to 2,000 kilograms for 1,500 pounds of precision-guided bombs ready for strike missions that demand accuracy and stealth. Its advanced sensors, including electro-optic cameras, synthetic aperture radar, and infrared systems, allow it to detect, track, and strike targets across land or sea, day or night. What's more impressive is how smoothly it integrated into carrier operations, proving that unmanned aircraft can share the flight deck with manned jets. First flown in 2011, the X-47B wasn't meant for combat, it was a technology demonstrator. But it showed what's possible, a future where unmanned jets take on dangerous missions, saving pilots' lives and expanding the limits of air power. Call to action. Would you trust a jet that flies and fights on its own? Comment below with what you think. Are unmanned combat aircraft the future of warfare?